We have multiplication of polynomials. In the first parenthesis we have binomial, and in the second we have trinomial. How we do multiplication of polynomials? We have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. So first we have variable a. We have to multiply by the whole expression in the second parenthesis, so 3a minus 3a squared minus 9. Next we have 3, positive 3, and 3 we have to multiply by every expression in the second parenthesis. So we have 3a minus 3a squared minus 9. And now we have to multiply every expression in parentheses by a. In other words, we have to distribute a over each term in the polynomial. So we have a times 3a. Next, positive times negative give me negative. And we have a times 3a squared. Positive times negative, so will be negative. A times 9. So next, the same we have to do with the second expression. 3 times 3a. Positive, so will be positive. 3 times 3a. Positive times negative, so will be negative. 3 times 3a squared. Positive times negative, so will be negative 3 times 9. So this is equal. First we will write the numbers. Next we have to write the variables. So we have a times 3a, so 3 we will copy, and a times a is a squared. We copy variable a, and we add exponent. When we don't have exponent, it's always invisible 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So a times a is a squared. Next we have negative sign. We have 3. First we write the number, and a times a squared. We copy the base. We have the same base a, and we add exponents. When we don't have exponents, it's always invisible 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Next, negative sign we copy. First we write the number, and next variable. So we have a times 9 is 9a, the same. And next we have positive sign. 3 times 3 is 9, and we copy a. Negative sign we have to rewrite, and 3 times 3 is 9. A squared we have to rewrite, and next we have negative sign. 3 times 9 is 27. Now we have to combine the like terms, and we have 3a squared and negative 9a squared, and we have negative 9a and positive 9a. So this we can reduce. This is 0. Negative 9a plus 9a give me 0, and the rest we have to rewrite. So we will start from the highest power. So negative 3a cube first will be, and next 3a squared and negative 9a squared we have. So we keep the sign of a larger number. 9 is greater than 3, so will be negative sign. And now we just subtract. 9 minus 3 is 6, and we copy variable a squared, and at the end we have negative 27. So this is my solution.